Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to set up a Roku indoor camera. So this is everything that comes with the kit. We have our camera and then our ability to plug it in so that it gets power, some mounting options here, opening up the quick start guide. Really the most important thing to this setup process is going to be downloading the Roku smart home app and setting things up through there. So I'm going to take you over to my phone to get you started setting up your camera in the smart home app. So over on my smartphone, what you're going to need is the Roku Smart Home application. If you don't already have it downloaded and installed, you can do so in the Google Play Store on an Android device or the App Store on an iPhone. Just open up your respective app store and then in the search bar, type in Roku Smart Home app. This should bring up search results that include the Roku Smart Home, and at this point, you can download and install. So once it's downloaded and installed, we can launch the Smart Home app by clicking on it. If this is your first time launching the Roku Smart Home app, it'll prompt you to log into your Roku account. If you don't already have a Roku account, then you can create one. But once you're logged in to your Roku account, what we're going to do is add a device. So we can do this from the home page by clicking on this little plus sign in the upper left-hand corner and then clicking Add Device. And this is going to be a camera, so selecting that. And then select your model of the Roku camera. Mine's this one right here at the top, the indoor camera, so I'm going to click on that. And at this point, we need to plug the camera in to a power outlet. All right, so I have the USB power adapter plugged in on one side there. And then the other end, the Roku camera, I'm gonna be plugging this guy in to the other end of our cord. So once I have that micro USB plugged in, we can see the other side of our Roku indoor camera has that blinking red light. So now we can go on to the next step over in the app. So the light in front of the camera begins to flash red, so I can click Next. And at this point, what I need to do is press the setup on the bottom of the camera. So in my situation, what I've done is on the top of my window here, I drilled a hole into the wall so that I could put this screw into there with this metal plate so that magnetically I can now put the camera right there. And then that setup button is going to be right here below the camera. So clicking on the setup button, ready to connect. And it says that it is ready to connect. So with the camera saying that it is ready to connect, I can check this box right here and then click Next. And now I need to select the network that I'm going to be hooking up this camera with, and it only works on 2.4 gigahertz network, so make sure you're picking a Wi-Fi router that is 2.4 gigahertz compatible. So it'll show you available Wi-Fi routers in your general vicinity. Select your Wi-Fi router, and as long as it shows up in this area, it should be compatible. If I scroll all the way down to the bottom of this list, it shows not compatible Wi-Fi routers. You can see those are going to be the 5G ones that are 5 gigahertz, not 2.4 gigahertz compatible. But I'm selected on my router, which is Asus 22. Then enter in your Wi-Fi router password and click Next. And at this point, we can now take our phone over to the Roku camera so that it can scan this QR code. All right, so bringing my phone over to my Roku indoor camera and holding it up so that it can scan the QR code. And it says that the QR code was scanned and that I need to please wait. So I heard where it said QR code scanned, so I can check that box and click Next. And it shouldn't take too long for setup to complete. Now at this point, we can name our device. And for me, it's going to be in the living room, so I'm going to select that and then click Finish Naming. And it's going to update the Roku device with the latest firmware and features. You can leave this screen and the update will continue in the background. So I'm going to click this X in the upper right-hand corner. So now at this point on the homepage of my Roku Smart Home app, I have my living room camera showing up right here. So I can click on my living room camera. Once your camera is updated, you'll be able to view a live feed of the camera from this page. You can listen to sound from the camera. You can record. You can speak through the camera yourself. You can take a photo. You can also look at some more options here. And for whatever reason, if you want to turn off your camera, you can do so right here by clicking where it says Turn Off. And going back to our homepage, after we turn our device off, it's really easy to turn it back on. Right here, you can see there's a little on button. If we click on that, it'll turn your living room camera back on. And that's going to wrap this one up. So I hope this video was helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how to set up a Roku indoor camera on the Roku Smart Home app. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.